Okay, so here we are going to see about another project which is protecting blockchain based on decentralized time release of data from malicious adversaries. So in this, what we have been told is that how you are going to be making and protecting the information through a blockchain process, and how you are going to be implement the time release condition in that process, as well as how you are going to be protecting the data through the authentication process with these three types of securities like privacy, as well as time release, and also integrating the blockchain. How you are going to be performing this process inside a particular project. That's we are going to see about that. So what we have been told in the abstract is that they're going to be having existing process as like malicious peer accounts as of the information is not been secure. So the blockchain information and blockchain time release has been introduced in the proposal process. With this way, the attack can be reduced. And what are all the modules which are in this process, like data center, data recipient, cloud, and then blockchain infrastructure. These are the four modules which can be there. So with this way, we are going to be go for that particular title with the project.